Hi, my name is Dorena. I am better known as the Space Doula. And this month inside the Lynn Academy, our theme is transcending. It's all about the energy of Pegasus. It's flying high over adversity, looking at things from a higher perspective, releasing the weightiness of the world. The question is, how can you use your home to nudge you towards this very powerful, transformative energy of transcending? I'm going to direct you to your bathrooms. In feng shui, your bathrooms are associated with letting go of what no longer serves you. And when you let go of what no longer serves you, then you are going to feel lighter and embrace that transcending energy. So, in your bathrooms, what I want to invite you to do is look at your medicine cabinet, look at your drawers, and let go of any of the expired medications, any medications that you're no longer using, any medical devices that you're no longer using, any toiletries that you're no longer using, like those half empty bottles of shampoo that you started using the shampoo and then you decided you didn't like it, so you bought a new one. You feel guilty about throwing the old one out. I'm going to give you permission to let those go, as well as any makeup that you're no longer using, or maybe it's a little crusty. Let it go. And then I'm going to invite you to look at your towels. Are your towels scratchy? Are they a little threadbare? Is it time to buy some new towels? Something that feels really soft on your skin. Look at your shower curtain. Is your shower curtain getting a little mildewy? Is it time to replace it or to wash it? Make sure that all your plumbing is in good order. Are your drains clear? Make sure that they're not clogged. Do you have any leaky taps? Make sure all of your plumbing is in good order. And then last but not least, clean your bathroom. Get into the corners and scrub it, the floor, get out the scrub brush, the toilets. Give your bathroom a good clean. Doing all of this with the intention of letting go of what no longer serves you so that you can embrace that beautiful energy of transcending. I look forward to hearing how it goes for you, and I will see you next month. Bye for now. Mwah.